Hello, guys. If you want to connect a landline phone to your Xfinity modem, it might seem a bit confusing at first because modern setups combine internet and voice services into a single device. Unlike traditional wall jacks, Xfinity modems come with dedicated phone ports that allow you to use a landline through your internet connection. Many users get stuck trying to figure out which port to use or how to activate the line properly. The good part is that the setup is actually very simple once you know where everything goes. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your landline phone to an Xfinity modem quickly and correctly to try these. Step 1. Ensure your Xfinity modem is powered on and fully active. Step 2. Locate the phone port labeled TEL1 or TEL2 on the modem. Step 3. Connect the landline phone cable to the phone port. Step 4. Plug the other end of the cable into your phone base. Step 5. Wait a few moments for the line to activate. Step 6. Pick up the phone and check for a dial tone.